He's maybe a chunky 10-incher. Woo, he's wily though. No good, he's not hooked bad either. There we go. Ooh, what happened there? Ooh, ooh. Woo! Get over here. Sorry. Definitely bigger. Yo, bud. I see him.
Oh, I love this rod, dude. Freaking love it, dude. Woo!
Yes, sir.
Look at look at the holes on the thing, dude. They're so
Oh, hella small. That's nice.
I feel like the littlest bite, dude.
Nice looking smally.
There we go.
Nice. Hold on, just so we get
you see that?
so we get pro at figuring out weights.
That's fresh, huh?
What?
The cut?
Oh, I don't know. That's interesting.
Just cut home, dude. I feel like.
Oh. Oh my lord! Look at that gill, guys.
Dude, look at the belly of it.
Indeed.
Yeah, he's pissed.
Nice gill. Holy hell.
Super pissed.
That is a Mondo Gillo. That's seriously, that gill's bigger than my crappie.
Well, I'm gonna release him.
That's a good guy.
Oh, yeah. He's like, damn, that was stressful. Can't tell. Oh, no, get over here. You little bitch.